In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add priority in Asana the simple way. Asana is a fantastic tool for managing tasks and projects, and being able to set priorities can help you and your team focus on what truly matters. We'll go through this step-by-step process to help you organize your workflow efficiently. First, start by navigating to Asana. If you already have it bookmarked, simply click on the link or type Asana's URL into your browser. Once you are on the Asana homepage, you'll need to enter your email address. This is your Asana account login email, and it's the same one you used when setting up your account. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. This will take you to the next step in the login process, where you need to input your password. Just type it in the password field and then click Login. If you followed these steps correctly, you should now be at your Asana homepage. Once you're inside your Asana account, locate and click on the project where you want to add the priority field. Projects are easily accessible, usually displayed on your homepage for quick navigation. Click on the one where you want to add priorities. Inside your selected project, look for the plus icon or the add field icon and click on it. This action allows you to customize the fields you see in your project view. Now select a field type from the options that appear. This is where you'll be selecting or specifying what kind of field you're adding. For our purpose, we'll name this field priority. Adding a description for this field is optional, but it can be helpful if you're working in a team setting to remind everyone what this field should be used for. After this, you'll have access to field options. In this section, type your different priority levels such as high, medium, or low to categorize tasks effectively. These priority labels will help you and your team identify which tasks need immediate attention. Feel free to click on Add an option if you want to expand your priority categories. Moreover, you're not limited to the default colors. By clicking on the icons, you can change the colors of your priority labels, helping you visually distinguish between different priority levels more easily. Once you've set up the priority options to your liking, click on Create Field. With that, your priority column should now be added and visible in your project view, ready for use. You've successfully configured a priority field in Asana, making it easier to manage your workflow and keep everyone on the same page. Thank you for following along, and enjoy utilizing priorities in your Asana projects.